Welcome to Netmera. Netmera allows you to manage several mobile applications via its dashboard. On Dashboard, you can see vital statistics of your mobile application such as total users, push opt-in users or active users. Moreover, Dashboard gives you detailed analytics of application performance. These analytics cover application installs or uninstalls, active users, application revenues and conversion ratios of your push notification campaigns. In order to start a new messaging campaign quickly right from the dashboard, you can click on Create New Campaign button at the upper right corner of the screen. All messaging-related functions are placed under Messages menu on the left. Under Messages menu, click on Campaigns for starting a new push notification campaign. Campaigns page shows you latest statistics about your users such as user sessions, retention, average user lifetime, usage frequency or inactive users. You can also have reports on latest campaigns on this page. In order to start a new campaign, click on Create New Campaign button on the upper right corner of the screen. Creating campaign starts with giving a name to your campaign. Please note that this name is only for reporting and tracking and will not be shown to application users. Netmera offers an exhaustive list of campaign types. Push notifications including rich media messages, interactive push notifications, in-app pop-ups, web push notifications, and SMS. We start with push notifications. For push notifications, you can select the platform for sending notifications. You can send push notifications to iOS, Android or Windows devices. First step in preparing the push notification campaign is creating the message and adjusting various settings for the message. Message text should be engaging and attract users' attention for a successful return of the campaign. In this respect, messages can be extended by adding emojis. Netmera offers a visual preview tool so that you can see instantly how the message will look like on a smartphone screen while you are preparing the message. You can personalize the message by incorporating data about your users. For example, you can send notifications to users by their names. Personalized messages do convert better. For Android devices, different notification styles can be utilized. Big picture messages are particularly useful in getting attention. You can set vibration on for vibrating the phone when the message arrives. Or you can add a custom sound to play when the message arrives. These sound files can be customized for your brand. Push Inbox is a special feature of Netmera which allows you to store push messages even after user opens them. By default, push notifications disappear after user opens them, but in some cases, such as when sending coupons or discounts, you may want to store notifications in user's phone. Push Inbox offers necessary functionality much like an email inbox. You can control the campaigns that will be stored in Push Inbox at the message level. You can also set the behavior when user taps on the notification. Options here are opening the application home screen, showing a web page inside the application, going to a specific page inside the app. This is called deep linking. Another option is to create and display a special landing page after notification. The landing page is opened immediately after user taps text notification and does not necessarily be included in the app. This is called rich media notifications since you can add images, videos or even maps to landing page. In order to prepare landing pages easily, Netmera offers templates, but you can also create and add your own templates. Final setting of this step is defining conversion analytics. In order to measure the success of push notification, you can choose a specific activity that your application offers as your goal. When user performs this activity after opening the push notification, Netmera calculates conversion ratios. You can even spare a small percent of target users as a control group to compare true effect of push notification. Control group does not receive the campaign, therefore gives you an idea about what would be the conversion ratio if you have not sent this campaign. In order to go to next step, click on Save and Continue. In this step, recipients of the push notification campaign are selected. Netmera offers powerful targeting mechanisms for sending campaigns. In this step, for the sake of simplicity, we will look at audience targeting options very briefly. For more detailed information on segmentation and targeting capabilities of Netmera, you may check Targeting menu on the left. First option of targeting is sending push notification to all your application users. This is called broadcasting. Please remember that broadcasting still limits users to the chosen platforms. Second option is to select users based on various criteria. You can select users based on below criteria. You can tag your users and then target them based on various information you have for your users. Grouping of users under tags can be done both inside the application or by using your CRM or similar customer systems. Segmentation is done using much more sophisticated behavioral and historical data for grouping your users. For example, you can create segments based on past purchase behavior and frequency of users. User profiles can be built within Netmera using demographic or similar data about your users such as gender, age groups, marital status, etc. These profile attributes can be used for selecting target audience. Response to previous campaigns can also be used for selecting users. A good case might be quickly retargeting users who have not received a previous campaign. Geolocation targeting is also possible if your application tracks location of users or if location is important for your services. Device model, telecom operator of user or version of application can also be used in selecting users. A cool feature of Netmera is that while you try various user selection criteria, it automatically calculates audience size in real time. In this way you can easily see and adjust your audience size for your campaign. There are a couple of additional settings in this step to better control your campaigns. You can tag recipients easily according to message delivery and open results. These tags can be used for subsequent retargeting. In Netmera, you can set daily, weekly or monthly messaging limits in order to prevent users getting many messages in a short time. But you may have urgent or very important messages and you can override these limits for specific messages. However, care to respect messaging limits as much as possible, since receiving too many messages from an application upsets users and may lead to opt-outs or even deleting the application. Finally, in some cases such as for coupons, gift cards or tickets, you may want to limit number of users who receive the push notification. You can set limits for number of notifications as per the platform. Final step is for scheduling the message delivery. You can send the messages immediately by selecting Now. Or you can schedule your campaign for a future date and time. You can also respect users' own time zone for delivering the message. This feature is valuable for your international users. Another cool feature of Netmera that will be launched soon is the ability to determine the best delivery time for each user based on their past message response behavior and timings. You can also set an expiration date and time for your campaigns. Finally, while sending messages to large groups of users, depending on your service infrastructure, organization or your backend systems might not cope with the sudden spike of interest. In such large-scale message deliveries you might want to slow down your message delivery. You can adjust package size and duration for delivery in order to deliver messages within a longer time frame. Save and continue brings you to final step, sending a message. In this final step you can review the push notification on an emulated device screen. Furthermore, you can send test messages to real test devices you have registered on Netmera. Testing a message on real phones and tablets before you send is always a good idea since every phone has its slightly different way of handling push notifications. If you are not happy with any of your choices or if you want to further optimize your message, you can click on Change link under every section. Once all is set, you are ready to go. Click Send button and approve the message delivery. Good luck with your message. In a couple of minutes you will be getting results. If you want to have a personal demo and learn more about many other cool features of Netmera, please click on the button to request a live demo.